Hello guys, in today's video we're going to do the biggest Coca-Cola explosion in the world. Let's do it. I have Mentos.
Me too. Look at this.
Here's the second explosion.
I'll go very momentous.
Okay,
I'll go
3, 2, 1. That's my big explosion, but I was to here. It was still good.
Bigger.
So now we're gonna build the biggest tower, a pyramid out of plastic cups, and then we're gonna shoot it with a Nerf gun. We just built it. 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Okay, now we're gonna hit it with a Nerf gun. Right now. Now we're excited.
Let's begin! Close one on. My turn!
Monkey rented my car right now. Right now he's gone. You hit me!
Alright guys, let's try it again.
No!
What? Just didn't hit me. What? It's how to hit me.
I hit Liza.
Oh.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna hit it.
Bigger.
Let's go. Let's go.